Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a gig on Fiverr. Whether you're offering graphic design, writing, programming, or any other freelance service, setting up your first gig is the foundation for attracting clients and building your freelancing career on the platform. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once the homepage loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully signed in before proceeding, as you'll need access to your seller dashboard to create gigs. After logging in, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Look for the option labeled My Business and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Gigs. This will take you to your gig management area where you can view, edit, and create all your service offerings. Now, on the right side of your screen, you'll see a button that says Create a New Gig. Click on this to begin setting up your service. This is where you'll define what you're offering and how clients will find you on the platform. The first thing you need to do is enter your gig title. This is incredibly important because it's the first thing potential buyers will see. Make it clear, specific, and descriptive of the service you're providing. Think about what keywords your target audience might search for. Next, you'll need to select your category. Click on the drop-down menu and browse through the available options until you find the one that best matches your service. Choosing the right category helps Fiverr show your gig to the right audience. Right beside that first drop-down menu, you'll see another one for selecting your subcategory. Click on it and choose the option that further narrows down what you're offering. This additional layer of categorization ensures your gig appears in more targeted search results. After that, select your service type from the options provided. This helps Fiverr understand the nature of your work and recommend your gig appropriately. Now comes the gig metadata section, which is crucial for visibility. First, select your website type from the available choices. This tells clients what kind of platforms or systems you work with. Next, select the programming language you specialize in. If your service involves coding or development, this specification is key to attracting the right clients who need expertise in those specific languages. Then, select your website features. These are the functionalities or elements you can deliver as part of your service, giving potential buyers a clear picture of what you can build or implement. Look for the section labeled Search Tags. In the designated field, type relevant keywords that describe your service and press Enter after each one. These tags are essential because they directly impact how easily buyers can find your gig through Fiverr's search function. Choose tags that are specific, relevant, and commonly searched. Once you've filled in all these details, click Save and Continue. This will take you to the next stage of the gig creation process. Now you'll need to fill in all the required fields and information about your gig. This includes your pricing structure, where you'll set up different packages or tiers. You'll also write a detailed description that explains exactly what you offer, what makes your service unique, and what clients can expect. Don't forget to specify your requirements, which are the details or files you'll need from buyers to complete their orders. Additionally, upload images or videos to your gallery to showcase your previous work or explain your service visually. Take your time with this section, as these details significantly influence whether someone decides to hire you. As you continue filling everything out, you'll eventually reach the Publish section. This is the final step where your gig goes live on the platform. Once you're satisfied with all the information you've entered, click Publish Gig. Congratulations, your gig is now live and ready to attract clients on Fiverr. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.